This question is from class 12th textbook, chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation. Question 123, NEET 2015. In the following human pedigree, the filled symbols represent affected individuals. Identify the type of given pedigree. So in your syllabus, the 4 different types of pedigrees are, I'll write it here, autosomal, so the broad category is autosomal and X-linked. Within autosomal, there is dominant and recessive. Recessive. Similarly, in X-linked also, dominant and recessive. So we need to identify which type of pedigree is this out of the 4. Is it autosomal dominant or autosomal recessive or X-linked dominant or X-linked recessive? Okay. So the 4 generations are given here. We will start from the top generation. Now usually the square which represents the male is written on the left side and female is on the right side. So be careful, okay? They have changed the orientation. So this is male and affected male. This couple had 3 children. So one female, the first female, and then second child male, and this is male. Out of 3 children, 2 are affected, and male and female both are affected. So that means it looks like it is autosomal dominant. The characteristic feature of autosomal is both are affected, and especially when it is passing down from father to son, this is autosomal inheritance. X, if it was X-linked, then if father is affected, the son won't be affected because father transmits only Y chromosome. So this confirms that this is autosomal inheritance. Now we have to rule out whether it is dominant or recessive. So the first aspect we have identified is it is autosomal inheritance. And what is the basis? Both male and female are equally affected and father and son are affected. So it is autosomal. Now dominant. A dominant affected allele will express in every generation. So if we compare this and this lineage, so father is affected, son is affected, but the grandsons are not affected. In this case, father is affected, then the son is not affected, but grandson is affected. So because it has skipped generation, it is hidden here and it reappeared in the 3rd generation. So this indicates the recessiveness of the allele. So this person is the carrier of the allele, and because he is not affected indicates that the disease or the allele is recessive. If we consider this inheritance, so she was affected, but none of her children are affected, but the grandchildren are affected. So it is hidden here because of the recessive nature of the allele. So the final confirmed answer is this pedigree is autosomal recessive inheritance pedigree. Let's look at the options. X-linked dominant, no. Autosomal dominant, no. X-linked recessive, no. Autosomal recessive, yes. Yes. So this is the right answer of this question. Thank you for watching this video.